I've made a lot of things with What a Funk. Some things sold out, some things flopped, some things I thought would change everything, but didn't. But these right here might be the most important things we've made yet. And let me explain why. What inspired me to make the What a Funk zine was physical media. I think physical media is something that we definitely need to be more of a part of. This is something you could go back and look at years from now. You don't have to need a phone or some type of device to look at. This stays on your bookshelf. You could look back and look at it. And also it archives a whole moment of the brand in real life time. So a zine is something that really inspired me when starting the What a Funk brand. I used to go to streetwear boutiques in New York City and go around downtown New York and find stores that had all DIY zines, graffiti zines, art zines, music zines, and it was dope. Streetwear zines. I would always get these zines, and it was a moment in time for that culture period. And I go back, and I still have a lot of the zines, and I look at them, and I remember the moment in time it was. So that's why we created the What a Funk zine, and it's exclusive to the What a Funk crew because we had to make it some type of exclusive. This isn't some type of giveaway. You're joining the What a Funk crew to become a part of the community. The first issue ever was August 2025. We had our friend on the cover from a photo shoot that we did for our summer collection. And then a little behind the scenes. I'm just going to go through each of the zines a little bit. The first 7 issues. Every issue we shout out the homies in. And then every single What a Funk zine issue turns into a poster. A poster. So check this out. This is a poster that you could frame, put up on your wall. And that's how every single zine comes. And we made the What a Funk crew because I was trying to think of how can we make something, feel like more of a community, and how to build the crew was through zines. And if you don't know what a zine is, it's just short for a magazine. Every month you get a new zine with new content in it that is not just content. This is real life behind the scenes. We also shout out all the homies every month. I'm going to go through the first couple zines to show you guys what the zines are really about. Alright, I'm going to go through the first 7 zines that we've ever made. This was the first issue ever, August 2025. A month before that in the summer, I was thinking of something, what I wanted to make. And I really wanted to make something that made people feel like part of the crew. A little bit more behind the scenes of the whole brand and what it's about. So I was like, we need to really make an official zine. And that's when we started the What a Funk crew. So this was August 2025. We did a photo shoot. This was Rockaway Beach. Tells a bit about behind the scenes of the photo shoot. A couple homies here. Jesse Albert. Jose's van. My boy Ness. And Jim Jam in the first issue ever. And then A&T, DJ. I don't even know if DJ knows that he's on there. But the best part about this is they all turn into a miniature poster too. And you could actually hang them up on your wall. So every month is a new zine that turns into a miniature poster. So that was the August 2025. Next up was September 2025. This is when we were doing photo shoots for our beanies that were going into Zoomies. Cody G, Mad Dog Cycles Bike Night. Summer was dope. Summer was dope. The Funk and Barbecue behind the scenes. Got Lex in there. Sean Griggs. Chris Brown. Couple homies right here. Reggae Babe. This is us building, me and Cody building my shipping station to ship the zines out in. And then check out this, for this poster. Check this one out. This one's sick. Dagger. Each month is all new posters, new zines. And this is like real physical media. I wanted to make something that was physical media, something that you could actually keep and hold on to for years to come. It's not social media. It's not algorithms. This is just real physical media. This right here is the October 2025 Indian Larry Block Party. One of the best events. Announcing our beanies and zoomies. A little behind the scenes. We gave this away. Actually, this was a giveaway. Custom made, 1 of 1. Duffel bag on the Zoomy Stash app. Shout out to Z-Kid. Jesse Albert, the homie. Some graffiti. I took this picture in Brooklyn at an A&T Won't Stop rap show. with Chris Carr. And then check out this right here, the poster, inspired by the lightning beanie, but added a little effects to it, made it a little bit more fun and more better for a poster. Check that out. This was fun. I love this cover. This is crazy. Where else do you see this? New York City. Only in New York City you see that. Only at the block party. Check out the November issue. Got the homies right here. My homie Night Owl did a photo shoot for us, inspired by like 90s, early 2000s BMX skateboarding magazines. You want to do something dope, inspired like that. Check out these shots. These shots came out amazing. Really, really dope. The homies in the mag. Skateboard's my passion. Longtime OG. One of my first people that we've sponsored, skateboarders. Paula. What a Funkin' stores next to some of the biggest brands in the world. Check out this one. This was inspired by the duffel bag that we gave away. This is a poster. People have been hanging these up on their walls and framing them, which is so sick. But yeah, I've always just been inspired by, you know, art, culture, stuff like that. And I wanted people to have something they could go back and read in the future, like a year from now. They could go back in time and remember this moment in time for them. When they got the zine in the mail, it'll bring back a memory of that time period for them. This is kind of the idea behind it. Build a community as well. Appreciate everybody who gets these zines in the mail. But yeah, December, we did a fire spinning, something I wanted to do for a long time. I wanted to do this photo shoot for a long time, and we got to nail it in the streets, unsanctioned, real raw. It was fun. Do your own thing. That's the vibe of this right here. Check out these shots, yo. This might be one of my most slept on photo shoots and ever, because this was so fun. I don't see any other brand doing stuff like this. But yeah, shout out to homies. That's some beat DIY screen printing right there. Show you guys behind the scenes of the brand. But check this one out. This poster is sick. I love this one. Oh man, this one might be my favorite. The punk skulls. We actually used that design for the crew member exclusive sweatshirt. Only the crew members have that sweatshirt, strictly for the crew, and they all have their names printed inside label with their name in the inside of every single What a Funk label. The only time I've ever done that, the only time I ever will do that, is for the crew. But yeah, check it out. This is the January 2026, starting off strong. And I actually got to meet them, which was so awesome. I actually hit up a bunch of Zoomies, and, you know, we linked up with a bunch of people. And then we made this, painted this right here, this denim jacket behind the funk. Shows a bit about behind the scenes of us printing this shirt right here. You might see it on our YouTube shorts. I showed a lot of videos and clips on all our channels of me printing this all over print shirt. And then check out the different styling. This was the What a Funk crew shirt. Shout out to Danny, the homie right here. The lightning beanie. But this was the What a Funk crew exclusive sweatshirt. And every season we're dropping a seasonal piece for the crew. Summer and winter, only for the crew. Check this one out. I like this one. This reminds me of one of those puzzle things you got when you were like a kid, books. And then it opens up into, hold on, boom, another skull. Look at that. It's like a skull, and then it opens up to another one. Really, really sick. I really love this one too. This was a sticker. Every month you get a sticker and a zine. I'll show you guys the stickers after, but I wanted to really focus on the zines because this is the reason I wanted to make things for the What a Funk crew. I wanted them to have something really special, and what other way than to get a magazine every month. I wanted to make something that I would want. So this is what I would want. This is the February issue. We gave this away in Denver, Colorado. I actually flew on a plane with this in my backpack to give it away at a Zoomies event, and I tell more about that story in this issue. It was crazy, guys. It was really crazy. I hand painted this in one day, and if you read this in this issue, all about this painting of this, and I don't tell anybody else about that anywhere. Jesse Albert, Jesse Albert's in a bunch, almost all of them. Like, that's the homie right there, one of our top people that we sponsor and good friend of ours. And check out this beanie. I love the styling of that. And then boom, A&T on the back, all of our friends. And then check out this poster. This one is like, boom, that's so sick. Check that out right there. Check them out, guys. This is what we're up to right now. But I wanted to show you guys about the stickers. So the stickers, is also what you get every month as well. And I want to show you some of the stickers right here. We have some of the stickers right here. We'll start with the newest one that we have this month. We did a matte black rib cage design. This comes with your crew when you're part of the crew. This comes with the zine every month. Zine and a sticker. This was February, January right here. I love this one. Nice pink colorway. What a funk tag, skull. I want to do like a 3D glow effect on this one. That's January. I wrote on the back of these so I remember because I couldn't remember which ones was which. December. The 3 skulls. You may have seen this somewhere before. Let me know if you know where this came from. This one was really, really dope. I really love that one. That was the December. This is the November. I really love this design. This is one of my favorite designs. And if you know, then you know that this actually was used somewhere else. But you may not know where it was used. Or you may know. But if you do, drop a comment. Maybe. Let me know if you know. For the real What a Funk heads who are paying attention. Yeah, but that's the November. October right here. Want to do a bat style. Bat wing style with a nice gradient. What a Funk in the middle. Really, really dope design. I like this one because it's kind of like miniature, so it's like fun. September right here. Love this design. Eyeball with the What a Funk and bloodshot eyes. Really dope circle design. Really, really dope. September. I love that too. And then August. This was the first one ever. First one ever. Shout out. Let me know in the comments who has all 7 of these. Let me know who in the comments who has all 7 of these dope What a Funk stickers. So guys, like I said, every month when you're in the crew, you get a sticker and a zine mailed to you. Right in the mail. Right in the mail. What's better than that? Not everything is for everybody, but this is for the people who believe in the do your own thing DIY mentality. If that's you, let me know.